to the rope twist hair tutorial. I'm going to walk you through each step how to create this beautiful cute little look. Here we go. I love this pink hair. Woo! Alright, now we're going to start on the right side ponytail. We're going to divide it into two and we are going to twist each piece to the right. So twisting just like this, both pieces to the right. Doesn't have to be really twisted, just slight twists. Then we are going to take the right piece over the left, just like so, and then a little twist to the right before we cross over to the left. Little twist and over. Little twist and over. Now we're going to repeat this all the way down, keeping the tension as you go. Now there is a reason why we twist before we cross over, and that is simply to keep the twist flat in. We're going to tie an elastic band and it shouldn't unravel. And there you go. Woo! Magic! Now we're going to work on the other side, the left ponytail, divided into two, and this time we are going to twist the pieces both to the left. So over to the left and over to the left. Next we're going to cross the left piece over the right and then a little twist to the left before crossing it over to the right every time. Twist to the left and cross over to the right. And you're going to repeat this all the way down, just like this until you get to the very end. And then we're going to secure that with an elastic band and it shouldn't unravel. And that is the big test to make sure you've done it right. And yay, there we go. So we've got our two rope twists. So cute, aren't they? I love it in pink as well. Now we're going to pull out the twist. This is quite fun. So we're going to gently pinch and pull out with your fingers to create more volume and more of a softer little pulled out boho look. So just grabbing with your fingertips and just pinching out random bits just like so. Always start at the bottom and work your way upwards towards each ponytail. Holding at the elastic band at the very end and then pinching and pulling with your other hand and fingers to create the soft little effect on each little twist. So cute! Now just all visual here, making sure it's balanced, making sure all the little twists are pulled out, and there you have it! Cute little rope twists. You can either have it neat or boho pulled out, it's up to you. Now it's your turn, enjoy!